Alright, here we are at the Boss Nationals at the Pitt race facility down here in Wampum, Pennsylvania, just a little ways from Pittsburgh. Got a fairly large amount of Boss cars have showed up. They're featuring Bosses and Mach 1s. So let's take a walk around and see what's here cool, shall we? That's a 70 Mach 1 here right off the get-go. Also had some Shelbys coming in.
Like the seller was a broker.
There's a Shinoda Boss. That was a special package. Another Mach 1. Grabber Orange, 1970. We got some of the new Mach 1s.
I autocross it.
Then we got lots and lots more. It's a little rainy here. There's supposed to be more cars on its way, but we're gonna try to see what we can get because it's been on and off with the rain. Just been kind of a damper, but still definitely worth checking out. Let's check out this guy. Budmore Engineering, kind of a Pernelli Jones vibe going on here. Boss 302. Pretty cool Survivor right here. Got a little rust going on, but pretty cool.
Now there's a car that was used.
The stories that thing could tell. Another pretty nice unit. Grabber Orange.
I don't know. He was a different dude.
Really cool metallic green on this guy. Looking good in yellow. Got the Boss 351. Another 302. So that's another 69. Another 302. These cars look good in this orange. It just worked. Got us a blue one. Don't see this color very often. We got tags, all kinds of cool stuff. Light powder blue, I believe. I don't know what. Let's see what they call this one. Pastel blue paint. That's pretty cool. I don't know that I've seen another one like that. We got us a 1970 and Calypso Coral. Another Grabber Orange. And another Calypso Coral. Yeah, the rain has cut back some of the cars, but hopefully it won't kill off everyone. Nice green. Newer Grabber Orange. And another newer Grabber Orange. Look at all that carbon fiber in there. That's pretty cool. Got a 302 in white and red. The blue valve cover's pretty well pop in there with that red. Guy's got some racing things going on. Another green. Couple blues. Grabber Orange. Blue, orange. Another white with Ford racing wheels. Grabber Orange. Flaming pony on the front, pretty cool. Pretty cool unit here. This was a pre-production car. Was involved in development of the red keys and such things. Not licensed, I believe. I don't know. Boss 302. I think this is a Laguna Seca version, judging by the colors. Check out that chin spoiler. We got the big car, and we got the little car. Pretty cool. Red on black, that's nice. Another grab orange. White and blue.
I would do those as classics.
I did. I watched some girls take 2 pieces. I said, oh, I can.
Pretty cool looking units. This guy's been out on the track, got numbers on him. We got us another white one. And there's still more.
Yeah, like one of the 80, mid-80s, the pace cars. It looked like one of those, but didn't have a pace car on it.
Wayne Gaps, Boss 429 funny car. Sitting on a Logie chassis. Pretty cool unit. We got the Boss 429.
Yeah. So we're back to playing with cars. Yeah. I did the same thing. I've got 68.
And the Boss 351. And a 1964 Comet Caliente. With fuel injection stacks in the whole 9 yards. '69 Boss 69 428, 8,000 mile car. We got us a Boss 302 1970, very original. Then we got us a Calypso Coral 1969. Look at that wood grain steering wheel. That's cool.
They are. I haven't seen it.
Here we got a red Boss 429. Looking pretty cool with the flip top fuel neck.
This
1970 Calypso Coral, or 1969 says there, but 70 front.
kids, is that you? Johnny was like, yeah, I was like, that's cool.
Grabber orange,
I mean, whenever it was
white interior. That's pretty cool.
I missed it. I hope to push it on the trail. Yeah, I did.
We got us Black Jade Boss 429. Very, very original. Got the red primer on the brake booster there. Original gear shifter. Wood grain. These are cool. Battery box in the back. Space saver spare. These 29 cars had their own special size. Grabber blue Cougar. Flip up headlights. White 1969 Boss 429. Hood pins. Pretty cool. It's a red Boss 429. 1969 again. 302. Looks like Coral. And then this, I misspoke earlier, was the prototype car. I don't know what I was thinking, talking about the other one. You guys have already corrected me in the comments, I'm sure.
We didn't even know how to get to the parking lot. Finally, we did. Gosh, it's great.
Pretty cool looking unit. Regular workhorse. Really nice blue 302 with the silver wheels. Very nice. Then we got a 70 in red. Shaker, scoop, and all.
That's killer. And furthermore,
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got some Boss 302 Cougar. Illuminator. Got a Harnelli Jones, Woodmore Engineering, all the cool stuff going on here. Look at them slats. Clock on the dash, extra gauges, white seats, black interior, pretty dang cool. Then we got the guy that started it all, Larry Shinoda's car. White custom stripes. Cobra Jet engine. Custom steering wheel. Larry's initials in it. Custom slats. Pretty cool. Another sweet vintage race car. This thing is awesome. Look at that injection system. Super cool.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Super cool. Super cool.
Yeah, it looks like you're doing a lot more construction actually.
yeah, you know, that's the season, right? They get this time of year, they
Beautiful yellow.
So we have, you know, we're a real, you know, we're not some of these
Paint market stickers that works. All right, so that was the Boss reunion. We're going to take a final walk through the swap meet area. Me and Mr. Jake and Nova Cell Studios over there that didn't realize I was going to point the camera at him, and just
Not at all.
I like to keep him guessing
That blind camera angle towards me is kind of
Yes.
catches me off guard.
every time. But
Yeah,
yeah, he's
just-
going to have a video on this too.
Spontaneous.
So we'll take a final lap through the swap meet, and we'll see you in the next video.
Now I'm recording you without you knowing.
Oh no, now he's recording me. I'm getting out of here.
We got all sorts of stuff and such.
We got swap meaty stuff.
Those clean your hair.
We got spoilers.
Clean it.
Got some manifolds. A lot of Boss specific items. Once again, the rain didn't help us today. And we got some Holden movie goodies. Alrighty, that's it, folks. We'll see you in the next one.